Very good evening to all Titan Capital Markets global members and leaders. My name is Ashton. I'm the head consultant of Titan Capital Markets. And tonight, we are all very excited to share with you on the up and coming Titan Capital Markets version 2.0. And also very excited about the listing on Bitmart. So without further ado, we will start this webinar. But before we really go into the entire presentation, we are very honored tonight to have our CEO, Mr. Howard Yen, here with us. And I'm pretty sure many of you here are very eager to know what holds, what is in store for all of you guys in the coming years, especially for the year 2024. So without further ado, I would like to invite our CEO, Mr. Howard Yen, up for his opening speech and to share on the future of Titan Capital Markets. Thank you, Mr. Howard.
Hello. Dear investors, partners, and friends of Titan Capital Market, I'm delighted to share with you our outlook for Titan Capital Markets in the year 2024. Over the past year, we have weathered market volatility, faced various challenges, Over the past year, we have weathered market volatility, faced various challenges, and achieved a series of milestones together. In the coming year, we are committed to providing a superior investment experience and contributing to the continuous development of Titan Capital Market. 1. Technological innovation. We will continue to lead the technological way, constantly upgrading our trading platform. In 2024, we will introduce smarter and more efficient trading tools to ensure investors can quickly adapt to market changes and seize investment opportunities. 2. Development of social trading. The social trading emerged as a highlight in the past year. We will further strengthen our social trading platform, providing more opportunities for investors to share and exchange, and creating more value through collective wisdom. 3. Evolution of TTT token. The TTT token will continue to evolve as a core of our platform. We plan to introduce more use cases, allowing investors to participate more flexibly in various financial activities and achieve diversified investment returns. We are thrilled to announce that TTT token will soon be listed on multiple renowned exchanges. This move aims to provide our investors with broader liquidity and enhance the global usability of TTT token. We believe this step will bring more attention and vitality to Titan Capital Market globally. Furthermore, launch of version 2.0 will mark a significant milestone in our market development. This version not only means a further upgrade of platform functions, but also represents our pursuit of a more expansive market. We have listened to user feedback and incorporate additional user-friendly features in the new version to enhance your trading experience. At Titan Capital Markets, we firmly believe that transparency, innovation, and excellent services are the cornerstones of our success. I believe that in 2024, Titan Capital Markets will be listed on more well-known exchanges with the support of TTT token. and we can definitely earn more in the cryptocurrency market. And with the assistance of our new V2.0 version of the system, we will definitely be able to create a better, profitable market and continue to expand our influence in the financial market. Thank you for your continuous support, and we look forward to working together to create a more prosperous future in 2024. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Howard. Wonderful opening speech. I believe what he has just said should have etched in your hearts and minds, and we are all very excited. Me, myself, and the entire Titan Capital Markets team, we are all excited about Bitmart. We are all excited about Titan Token. We are excited about all of the upcoming plans that we have. But most importantly, we are also excited about the launch of our version 2.0, which in a way, as we move into as we are already into a new year, how are the entire market, the global members of Titan Capital Markets going to benefit from this? And from the growth of Titan Token itself, what are you going to gain out of all this? So without further ado, give me a moment while I'll share my screen with you guys.
Recording in progress.
Give me a moment.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Give me a moment, guys. Even my laptop is very excited. Okay, here we go. I believe all of you can see my screen very fine, very well. So this is officially our Titan version 2.0 and ultimately what we'll be doing in the future. Now, first of all, I believe this is nothing new to you guys when it comes to blockchain technology and artificial intelligence, AI. Some of you might have heard of it, some of you might have been experienced in these industries, and some of you have just been knowing the words. However, as we step into 2024, Titan Capital Markets, we will be undergoing a transformative rebranding, right? We will harness the power of AI as well as the blockchain technology to signify our commitment to pioneering innovation in the financial sector. So this is a new era for everybody. Transforming from traditional finance to next-gen fintech. A lot of you know that many industries all over the world, they are already moving away from traditional businesses, traditional ways to run the business, including the financial sector itself. Now, while embracing these advancements, it will actually propel us towards greater efficiency, security, which is very important, and customer centricity, ensuring a sustainable future and transitioning from a traditional financial institution into a pioneering fintech entity. So what does it involve? We have AI integration for enhanced efficiency, like what we have shared previously for our deep machine learning. Using AI, we are able to predict what is going to come next. Our AI itself is able to find and look for the most profitable or the shares or the currency pairs that have the lowest risk just by pure AI itself. It will take so much more time if you are doing it manually by researching, by going online, by looking at trading histories. With AI integration, efficiency will be taken up a notch. The second thing we look at is blockchain integration for trust and security. Now, with blockchain, we are implementing it for transparent and secure transactions, enabling all the decentralized finance solutions for improved accessibility. And then we also look at customer-centric innovations by introducing personalized financial services through AI-driven insights. Now, you guys see a figure over here. He is pretty well known in the financial industry. In fact, he is Larry Fink. He is the founder, chairman, and CEO of the world's largest asset manager called BlackRock. So even him himself, previously, he was very neutral on digital assets and the entire crypto industry and community. But in January 2024, he has decided that his firm will be launching a Bitcoin ETF, exchange trading funds, onboarding at least $3 trillion worth of his clientele. Now, being the world's largest asset manager, think about it. You can never afford to mess things up. You will lose your clients. You will lose your funds. You will lose credibility. You will lose trust in the entire market. Now, doing this move shows that he himself, Mr. Larry Fink, he is already in favor of crypto as an asset class potential. And he's even describing tokenization as the next evolution in securities. Now that we're on this topic, let me share something personal. This is also what I think about the future as well. I want all of you in this webinar right now, even though I can't see you, to look at the phone you have or the mobile phone you have in your hand right now, the one you're using right now, or it might be on the table next to you right now. It might be in your pocket. It might be in your hands. I want you to take a look at your mobile phone. What are you using? You might be using an iPhone or an Android phone, maybe an Oppo, a Huawei, Xiaomi, Samsung. But think back long ago, before the very first smartphone came into the market. What were we thinking? We were all afraid of change. We don't want to move on to something new. But right now, at this very juncture, if I were to ask you guys to give up whatever phone you're using now and go back to using a phone like Nokia or Ericsson, or for those of you who know, a pager, will you be able to do that? Right now, everybody is already accustomed to smartphones. You can't be using SMS, or you can't be using letters, or you can't be using anything else except for WhatsApp or Instagram or Twitter or Facebook. But when they first came out, do you guys recall how it was to the market globally? All of you here in this webinar right now, regardless of whether you are already a member of Titan Capital Markets or a leader or just someone new who has not heard of us before, I want you to ask yourself, have you ever been a pioneer to something new before? Now, when we talk about crypto, go back to when Bitcoin first came out. I believe Bitcoin should be a familiar cryptocurrency to many or all of you. Right now, how much it's worth? How much was it worth back then? All the marketing that happened for Bitcoin, did anybody trust that Bitcoin will be worth this much today? Titan token is the same. I'm not saying that Titan token will be able to exceed the expectations of everybody and even surpass the leading crypto right now, which is Bitcoin. But this is all we have been working behind the scenes to come to. Titan token, or rather the cryptocurrency, is something that will be normalized in our lives in time to come. So either you are with us or you will be left behind. That is what this is all about. Either you adapt or you get left behind. This is one thing I want you guys to really think of at the end of this webinar. Now, we are also going to empower a global social trading community. As many of you know, we have a lot of different new strategic partners from our company already, with our existing trading community, together with all our different partnerships from our different strategic partners and their trading communities, we will be embracing a wealth of professionals from diverse backgrounds worldwide. So what is our aim? We want to build an expansive and dynamic social trading platform, which will leverage the expertise and insights of a broader network of professionals all over the world to elevate your trading experiences. Just imagine going to our community or our platform and seeing professional traders all over the world showing how they are trading, sharing their secrets, and you can learn from the best of the best in Titan Capital Markets itself. So once again, for the benefit of those who are new to us, we are Titan Capital Markets, and we are an integrated educational and financial group with more than 100 professionals worldwide, and we specialize in comprehensive online and offline financial education courses, along with social training programs. These are active market strategies from our homeland, home ground, where we started in Australia. We have already moved on to Vietnam, China, South Korea, India, Thailand, the African continent, and we are also moving into the Europe, Latin, and South America. I believe this is a familiar face to everybody, our CEO, Mr. Howard Yen. He graduated from the University of Hong Kong with a master's degree, and he has more than 20 years of extensive experience in the Forex, investment funds, and other financial related fields. These are our awards and accolades. From the left, you can see we achieved the Best Innovative Forex Broker Award from BKFX last year, as well as the Most Trusted Algorithmic Trading Platform Global Award, and last but not least, the FinTech Innovation Awards. I would like to introduce our Titan token formally to you guys again. The token name is Titan token, or TTT. We are on the Binance Smart Chain, and the token type will be a utility token. We have a total token supply of 360 million. And as you can see, the pie chart to your left, this is actually how we and our entire tokenomics is broken down into strategic partners, pre-sale, liquidity, ecosystem, staking, so on and so forth. Now, I want you guys to know exactly how is the ecosystem of our Titan token, and precisely why the potential of Titan token is so huge in the coming months and years in the market of the cryptocurrency. First of all, we have exclusive denomination in TTT. All our assets and trading volumes within Titan Capital Markets will now be denominated in TTT. So it means that all your AI bundles, all your subscription, or all your rebates, all your dividends will be denominated in Titan token. So what does it mean? It also means that when someone wants to subscribe to Titan Capital Markets, he will be required to purchase Titan token in order for him to become a member and to subscribe. So this is also going to build the demand for Titan token itself. Second thing, we have diverse utility across different platforms, because TTT will be serving as a fundamental element across various platforms within our ecosystem. First thing that you guys should have known, we are going to have our very own e-commerce, where you can go online and go and shop for clothes, for stuff that we are having on e-commerce, which will also be requiring Titan token. We also have our decentralized financial platform, which is also requiring TTT for transactions, either for staking or for trading as well. So the demand for Titan token will be there as well. Next, we have membership and partner incentives. So members seeking access to Titan Capital Markets, they have to acquire Titan token from the open market. Additionally, the partners or the members in Titan Capital Markets, they are also incentivized to hold TTT because of the exponential growth of Titan token itself. Just imagine, in 2 more days, right, we are going to be listed. So effectively right now, those of you who have already got Titan token from the pre-sales at $1, $1.50, or even $2, even the last phase, $2.25, you are already going to be making a profit when we launch on Bitmart itself, right? Last but not least, we have the continuous buyer pressure. Because of the mandatory usage of TTT across our different platforms, it will lead to consistent demand and buy pressure from multiple sources, such as the traders itself, the user, platform operations, which will enhance our token value as well. So you will always see the growth of Titan token in the coming months and years, right? So with this comprehensive utility of our TTT, we will create an ecosystem of demand, contributing to our tokens' inherent value, which will be continuously appreciating, right? So with TTT as a fundamental, you can actually go into staking, which is in our AI bundle, and getting the rewards, generating revenue as well. You can go into DeFi, which is actually going to trade, all right, in our upcoming Titan Finance, which will also generate more yield or more rebates or more ROI for you. Partners that are holding on to our TTT, they are also helping us to reduce operational costs. You can go for social trading as well. So every single share that is bought or sold on the trading platform, there will be a certain percentage commission as well. Last but not least, the e-commerce, there will also be a percentage of commission for every product bought or sold on the platform itself. Once again, very, very excited. We are actually going live on Bitmart in 2 days. I believe most of you have been receiving the countdown since a few days ago, and we are all very excited because we are going to be making a significant impact in the cryptocurrency market. Next up, for the whole of this year, we have so many plans already underway, right? After Bitmart, we are moving on to MEXC, and in quarter 2, we will be looking to have 10 million active users, and we are looking to be listed in LBank, Gate.io as well. In quarter 3, we have a lot more exchanges like Bybit, Bitstamp, Freemax, and we are going to be have at least 35 pairs we have 35 trading pairs on the listed exchanges. And in quarter 4, by quarter 4 this year, TTT will be listed on almost every major exchange, providing the holders with the best liquidity. By then, you are able to choose from where you would like to purchase your TTT, or on which platform or which exchange would you like to sell your TTT, which is a very exciting thing if you ask me. Right now, finally, our Titan AI bundle and version 2.0. First of all, a refresher. What exactly is AI bundle? A lot of you are thinking we are actually launching a new product. No, right? We are doing exactly what we have been doing in the past few years because of how profitable that it has become. We are still doing Y swings, we're still doing Firefox, and we're still doing crypto arbitrage. However, we have an integration of a new advanced AI and quantum technologies. With this, we are able to merge all of our different trading portfolios into one AI bundle, which gives us a seamless trading process and consistent returns while maintaining our diversified approaches of the various strategies. As for Y swings, if you guys can remember, we are doing hedging. For Firefox, we are doing grid trading, and for crypto arbitrage, obviously we are doing arbitrage. Now, this will be our Titan version 2.0 Prestige member subscriptions. We have a total of 5 different subscriptions. We have 100, 300, 1,000, 3,000, and a new Ultra member subscription, $5,000. There will be a trading limit for all 5 subscription levels. As you can see, we have 500 limit for 100, 3,000, 15,000, 60,000, and for the Ultra package, you have a trading limit of $125,000. Royalties will be given for subscriptions that are $300 and above. As you can see, you will require to hit a certain criteria, which is in trading, which is our AI bundle. So for a $300 subscriber, you need to have $500 in your trading, which will allow you to get our royalties of 0.05%. For $1,000, you need trading of $2,000 to give you 0.1% of royalties daily. For $3,000 subscriber, you need 7,500 in trading, which will give you 0.15 royalties daily. Now for $5,000 for the Ultra bundle, for the Ultra subscription, you need a trading of $15,000, which will give you 0.2% of your royalties daily. Now, when we launch version 2.0, all subscriptions will be requiring TTT to purchase. All right. Now comes our Titan AI bundle. We have 2 bundles over here. We have the fabulous AI bundle and we have the Ultra AI bundle, right? So for Fabulous 1, we have 90 days or 3 months contract. Your minimum trading amount will be $100 and your monthly rebate will be between 7 to 9%. Now for 6 months or 180 days, your minimum trading amount will be $1,500 and your monthly rebate will be between 10 to 12%. Now for Ultra 1, it will be 9 months or 270 days. Your minimum trading amount will be $3,000 and your monthly rebate will be between 13 to 15%. Now for Ultra 2, it will be for 12 months or 360 days. Your minimum trading amount will be $5,000, giving you a monthly rebate of 16 to 18%. All right. Now, this is like a brief illustration of how much you are going to be earning or how you're going to be calculating your earnings. So assuming member A purchased the $5,000 Zeus AI contract. So your average monthly will be between 16 to 18%. Now, if you calculate on a daily basis, you will be getting your daily dividends in terms of TTT, right? Now, assuming the appreciation in the TTT value in Bitmart, your payout will be appreciating as well. So remember, whatever that you are going to be earning will be higher. All right, so we have this TTT technical phase that we have we are going to officially announce. As you guys know, we have an ongoing pre-launch campaign, which has started on the 23rd of December, which will end on 15th of January, right? So during this campaign period, your AI bundle staking, you are able to go for 70% TTT and 30% USDT. Subscription-wise, you're able to go for 100% TTT. Now, effective 16th of January, when we launch our version 2.0 and we go into TGE, the token generation event, where you guys are starting to get your vesting periods and getting your tokens vested out, our AI bundle and subscription will be moving into 50-50. You are only able to use 50% of Titan token to go into AI bundle. And you're also only able to use 50% Titan token to go for a subscription, which is a new member. The other 50% has to be USDT. So what does it mean, guys? It also means that this is actually your last chance. One last time, it's very important for you guys to know, it is your last chance from now all the way up to 15th of January, which is very limited time, is about a week's time. This is your final chance to go into AI bundle staking for a period of 3 months or 6 months at 21% or 24%, right? Because when we go into TGE and when we launch our version 2.0, you will require 50-50, and the AI bundles will follow what I have mentioned earlier in the next previous slide, the 4 different bundle packages and the 4 different percentages. Even for the Zeus bundle, for the biggest bundle, the Ultra 2 bundle, you are only getting between 16 to 18%. So I repeat, this is very important news for you guys. You have about close to a week's time from now. This is your final chance during this pre-launch campaign to be able to go into AI bundle staking of 3 months or 6 months at 21% and 24%. And 70-30, 70% TTT and 30% USDT is also your final chance. All right. Subsequently, from 16th of January onwards, everything will be 50-50. And there will be no more campaigns, no more promotions for AI bundle. All right. So last time I'm going to say this is your final chance, ladies and gentlemen, for your AI bundle staking during this pre-launch campaign period. All right. Okay. Now, we have an updated global partners program as well. So please take note of the details. This will all, everything I've been sharing today up to now, all will be live on the 16th of January together with our TGE. All right, so this is going to happen on 16th of January. First up, let's share with you the total of 8 different rewards. Now, if you guys can remember, we used to have 7. There's something new over here, as you can see, called the Titan Ambassador. All right, let's go into details. First of all, your referral rewards. Now, every subscription, regardless of which subscription you are, from 100 all the way to 5,000, your referral rewards will be at 12%. Your pairing rewards will be at 10%. The daily upper limit cap will still apply. So there's not much change to this. Your parent rewards will be at 10%. Now, before I go into details of this, I would like to let everyone know, for those of you who have heard about the version 2.0 criteria, our management has heard the voices of you guys, as well as the top leaders from different markets as well. So this is the official Titan Partners incentives that we have decided on. Now, for you to become a junior partner, you need to have accumulated rewards of $3,000. For senior partner, you need accumulated earnings of $10,000. Now, these accumulated earnings consist of your referral rewards, your pairing rewards, and these exact Titan Partners incentives as well. All right. So in order for you to become an executive partner, you need to have ranking senior executive partner, you need a total accumulated earnings of $200,000. Now, as you guys can see that this Titan Partners incentive has been slightly tweaked to be higher than the current version that we are having. But this is something I want to share with you guys. From now until the 15th of January, this is also your last chance to be able to achieve the next higher rank or whichever rank that you prefer with the existing comp plan that we have. So while you're still chasing for the next rank, you are using the existing criteria to go for the next rank. And the good news is what? The good news is from the launch of our Titan version 2.0 on 16th of January onwards, all your member rankings, your Titan partners ranking will be maintained. All right. So this is the second thing I would like to share with you guys. One last chance, which is around a week's time for you guys to chase or to challenge yourself to achieve the next highest possible ranking, or to even chase to senior executive partner ranking of $100,000 in accumulated earnings before we officially launch our Titan version 2.0. All right, so take full use of this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. Next, we have our Stellar Leadership Rewards, which I believe is not new to most of you. So as a new account, as long as you sponsor 4 new accounts within 10 days of your new account creation, you are able to get a free account of the same value. So assuming you are a $300 subscriber and you sponsor 4 $300 subscription accounts, you will be able to receive 1 $300 subscription account for free. And this free subscription account will generate 12% of referral rewards and 10% of partner rewards. Next, we have the tier dividends. There are also some changes to this, so guys, please listen carefully. Previously, tier dividends is based on your subscription amount, right? Now, effective version 2.0, your tier dividends will be based on your trading, right? Your personal trading, right? So we have 5 different categories over here. If you have a personal trading of $100, you are getting 5% of up to 4 levels of your tier dividends. If you are personally trading at $1,000, you are getting 5% of up to 6 levels. If you're trading $5,000, you're getting 5% of up to 8 levels. If you are trading $15,000, you're getting 10 levels. And lastly, if you are trading, personal trading is $30,000, you're getting a whole 12 levels of your tier dividends. All right. And then we have our Titan Super Leader rankings. So there has been no change to the Titan Super Leader rankings. The criteria is also the same. In order for you to achieve, you need to be a senior executive partner, and your community has to have a promotion of a senior executive partner. So 1 senior executive, if you're Hermes, 2 will be Athena, 3 will be Poseidon, and 4 will be Zeus. The percentages remain the same. However, if you have level difference and you achieve the same level as your upline, you will be given this Titan Super Elite bonus. All right. For Hermes, it will be 1.5%. For Athena, it will be 1.25%. For Poseidon, it will be 1%. And lastly, for Zeus, it will be at 0.5%. And you will be surprised. This little 1.5% or even 0.5% for Zeus, how much you are actually earning. Right. Now we have the last but newest, which is called the Titan Ambassador. In order for you to be a Titan Ambassador of Titan Capital Markets, first of all, right, you yourself need to be Titan Super Leader Zeus, right? And we also require you to promote 3 different Zeuses from 3 different communities. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I know that it's very difficult. It might sound impossible to you, but somebody is going to be getting this. It's just whether or not it is you, or it's not you, or it's him, right? What will you get for being a Titan ambassador? You are getting 3% of our Titan global sharing pool. And trust me when I say this, even just this 3%, global sharing pool, what does global sharing pool means? It means you are not getting 3% of your own community's sales or business. You're getting 3% of the entire Titan capital markets global communities, 3%. Just the thought of that will actually give you the feeling of how much or how rich you will become once you have achieved the Titan ambassador ranking. All right. So this will be a global partners rewards. Now, to recap on whatever we have joined or done before for the past years, we have our first Wiki Expo Dubai back in 2022 in September from 25th to 26th. And we also had our Titan Gala dinner the next, and our CEO signed his very first book called The Way to Wealth. Next, we had Convergence India FinTech Expo, which happened between 27th to 29th of March last year. Now I'm finally going to say last year. And on 28th, we had our Titan Appreciation Dinner with the leaders, and we're discussing the future plans with top leaders from India. And then we had our Titan Dubai Leaders Summit on the 14th of May. And then we had our Titan Capital Markets Global Leaders Summit, which was held in Bali on 15th of October. And there was one very, very important event that happened that day as well, which was our MOU signing with our strategic partners, all right, our 4 different strategic partners. And just not too long ago, we had our Titan Leaders Summit for the India market in Pattaya, Thailand. During this event, we were all sharing the future plans that we have for 2024, and we celebrated our achievements for 2023 over dinner itself as well. Right. So upcoming in the very near for the entire 2024, these are the focused events that we'll be going to for the global financial events. First up will be Singapore in March 2024. We are going to actually take part in the Blockchain Festival Asia. Next, we have the Consensus by CoinDesk, which is going to be take part in America. Last but not least, we are taking part in the Web3 Carnival, which is going to be take place in December in Bengaluru, India. Now let's reminisce on the previous Supreme Challenges that we had. We had our first Titan Supreme Challenge Star Awards on April 23rd, which was held in Radisson Blu in Ludhiana, Punjab. And then we had our second Supreme Challenge Star Awards 2, which was held in Goa, India in July last year, July 16th, where we saw so many new achievers, so many car achievers, senior executive achievers, even Hermes achievers. And then we had our previous Titan Supreme Challenge Star Awards 3, which was held in Dubai last year in November 5th. So for the whole of last year, 2023, we have actually 3 Titan Supreme Challenges that accommodated so many different achievers and so many winners, from mobiles to laptops to even motorbikes and even cars, right? So this year, the very, very first challenge that we will have is actually called the Titan Galaxy Challenge, right? So I want all of you to really get your horses ready, start your engines, and ignite your potential as we start our very first event in 2024 called the Galaxy Challenge. All right. So it will start in line with our TGE date and our version 2.0, which is on the 16th of January, all the way up to 31st of March, right? So as you can see, we have only 2 criteria. The first criteria will be your personal referral trading, and the second criteria will be small community trading, which is definitely nothing new to all of you. What does it mean by personal referral trading? I believe as leaders, you have your own direct sponsors, right? Personal referral trading refers to the trading of all your direct sponsors, right? So if you ask me, this criteria is a given. It's pretty much it's easy for you to achieve these criteria, right? Now for Galaxy 1, your personal referral trading will be at $5,000 and your small community trading will be at $100,000, which will give you a free Honda bike CT125 at $1,500. Now for Galaxy 2, you need personal referral trading of $10,000, small community trading of $250,000, which will give you a free Yamaha MT-07. Now for Galaxy 3, you need a personal referral trading of $20,000, small community trading of $500,000, which will achieve a car called Hyundai Centro. Now next we have Galaxy 4, which requires a personal referral trading of $30,000, small community trading of $1 million, which gives you a free Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 worth $15,000. Now for Galaxy 5, personal referral trading of $50,000, small community trading of $2.5 million, which will earn yourself a Tesla Model Y. Now for Galaxy 6, personal referral trading of $75,000, small community trading of $5 million, which will earn yourself a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, last but not least, we have our Galaxy 7. Personal referral trading of $150,000, community trading of $10 million, which will earn yourself a Range Rover Sport SVR. Right? So this is the very, very first challenge called the Galaxy Challenge that we are having for the year 2024. And I myself am very excited for all the plans that Titan Capital Markets are having. I believe many of you are as equally excited as me, because first thing, the listing of TTT on Bitmart, right? We are finally able to see TTT in action. So this is something very, very, very exciting for everybody. And I believe a lot of you are ready to make wonders, right? But remember a few important things that I've mentioned earlier during this webinar while I was presenting the version 2.0. You have less than 1 week's time, right? 1 week's time for you to do many, many things. The last chance for you to be receiving 21% and 24% for your Titan AI bundle staking. Because effective 16th of January, first of all, you will require 50-50, 50 USDT, 15 Titan token. And you will not be seeing 21% or 24% anymore, right? We are all looking towards a sustainable and long-lasting future, right? So make full use of this last chance before TGE, before the launch of Titan version 2.0 to earn 21% or 24%. A lot of you, if you know the potential of Titan token that is coming in the next few months or years, you will be rushing into getting our Titan AI bundle for this pre-launch campaign. Because not only are you able to get more Titan tokens on hand, which will definitely be appreciating, you're also able to hit your pre-launch campaign criteria, which will allow you to be invited full expenses paid to Singapore for our blockchain expo, as well as MESC listing. And you will see yourself being so much richer. All right. The second thing, which I want you guys to remember is, same thing, you are also having 1 week's time, your last possible chance to achieve the next highest ranking in the Titan Partners Incentive, right? Based on the current comp plan. So all these changes that's going to happen on the 16th of January, it will benefit the entire market. But before it happens, this is from me to you guys. I want you guys to really grab the opportunity and seize the chance of earning more TTT, as well as getting to the next highest possible ranking, right? I believe this will be so much more beneficial for all of you in the next 2 to 3 years' time, especially when our entire ecosystem will be revolving around Titan token. Right. So a few things for you guys to really remember well. Bitmart listing is in 2 days. So we'll be officially listed on Bitmart. Okay, you will be able to see the exchange pair TTT/USDT on Bitmart on the 9th of January. All right. So this is official and it's definitely going to be happening. The second thing, our TGE, as well as version 2.0, as well as our Titan Galaxy Challenge, will be commencing on the 16th of January. Right? So this is all I have for you guys for this webinar. But before I go, I really want to urge you guys, for those of you who are still thinking or still considering or still wondering, in fact, everybody is feeling excited right now. From as high as Mr. Howard Yen, our CEO, to our management, to me, myself, to many, many leaders all over the world. We are all excited about whatever is coming. All right. So I hope that at the end of this webinar, you're able to be as excited as us as well, because we are all waiting for the perfect 2024 to embrace us, because this is definitely going to be a very, very, very wonderful year as long as you are with us for the year 2024. All right. So once again, I thank you guys for attending this webinar, and have a very good afternoon or good night wherever you are. And I will see you guys again during the next webinar or Zoom meeting. Thank you. Thank you. Good night.